Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to unbind the Neo or any other drone from your account. Let's say you want to sell it, things aren't working out, and you want to use the moolah, the money, for something else, maybe dinner, birthday present, or a newer, better drone that won't fly away. So without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to show you how to unbind this thing, and as you can see here, just to give you a little glimpse, it's still sealed in the box. So you don't have to open the device. You can still leave it in its box because, as you know, it's worth more. And sometimes when you sell something, it was going to get that one person that's going to ask you, do you still got the box? Well, yes, in this case we do. And it's still sealed, so we're going to have to charge you more. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to push everything here so you can see on the phone. You want to launch the DJI Fly app. As you can see, it's open. And you're just going to go to Profile, and then you're going to go to Device Management, and you can select anything. Let's say I select the Avata, remove from account, and then click Next. And once you confirm, that's it. It's gone. Not forever, because you could always log back in, and once you sign in when you turn on the drone and go through that process again, the drone will be bound to the account again. But in this case, you don't want to bound to your account, so the other person can have an experience that's just right for them. Because just remember that when you are if you don't log in to the account when you first buy your drone, you're limited and restricted with the flight distance wise. But knowing that moving forward, you want to get rid of it anyway. So unbind it, and that's it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.